What's up, faves? This is Clifford playing as Calix Arcelia, so You're My Favorite Song. And today, we're gonna be answering You're My Favorite Slam Dunk. Let's go. Sa mga hindi nakakalam, my full name is John Clifford Gauchua. Nickname, people usually call me Clifford, Cliff, Ford, and Cliffy. Pero let's make it short, Clifford na lang. Character name, Calix Arcelia. Birthday, July 7, 2006. Age, I'm 19. What grade are you in right now? Siguro, I just graduated senior high last year, so kung papasok ako sa school, I'm gonna be turning first year college.
What course is it?
What course? Siguro business, kasi yun din yung kinuha ng sisters at dad ko eh. So, feeling ko gusto ko rin sundin yung steps ng dad ko. So, maybe business. How many siblings? Eto, laging tinatanong sa akin. I have 4 sisters, so that makes me the only boy. So, 5 kaming magkapatid. Zodiac sign, I'm a Cancer. Hobbies? Grabe, ang dami kong hilig gawin eh. Mahilig ako mag-singing, dancing, of course, acting, basketball. Lagi kaming nagsiset ng schedule para mag-basketball together with sila Heath, Gio, Marco, and more people. So yeah, really love playing basketball. Parang sobrang saya siya na bonding for us. May hobby, tas may talents din. Dapat dito ko na pala sinulat yung singing, dancing, and acting. So, ayun. Ako naman, syempre hindi ako nag-claim na sobrang galing ko talaga. Pero I just love doing it. I love singing, I love dancing, and I love acting. So, yeah, that's really my passion. Kaya din ako nandito sa showbiz kasi it's really something na I love doing ever since bata pa lang ako. So, Instagram handle, TikTok username, FB page, and X account. Wala akong X, guys eh. Double meaning. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you can all follow me at John Clifford G. Three songs you love right now and whom do you dedicate it to? Ooh. First song. Let's keep this light. First song is hirap nito. First song, Rap Star by Flo G. Dinededicate ko to kay Marco Masa, the one and only. Grabe guys, kaya niya tong bigkasin lahat ng words, kaya niya tong kantahin. Kaya pag nasa mall show si Marco Masa, request niya lang yung Rap Star by Flo G. Kakantahin niya. Next song, Nagkakahiyaan. Siyempre, dedicate ko kay Lee Victor. Kasi parang yung kanta niya na Nagkakahiyaan, parang life story niya na rin eh. Na ganyan siya sa crush niya, naiiya. So, Lee Victor. Number 3 naman, siguro yung third song na pipiliin ko is You're My Favorite Song. So ito naman guys, grabe. Na-LSS na talaga ako dito sa kantang to for how many weeks na ngayon. Kaya, dinededicate ko to sa lahat ng mga faves. Kasi, syempre, wala kami kung wala kayo. And mahal namin kayo guys, grabe. Like, siguro we couldn't really get the confidence we have if wala kayo, if hindi nyo pinapakita yung suporta nyo sa amin. Kaya, grabe, no words can really express how grateful and happy we are to have all of you. Kaya, we just hope na patuloy yung suportahan yung You're My Favorite Song and we're gonna do our best for you. So, dedicated to Faves. If given 3 genie wishes, what would it be? Yung first 2 ko, sana tataas yung ratings ng You're My Favorite Song at madami kaming mapasaya na tao. And then second, sana aabot yung You're My Favorite Song ng 10 years. Kasi grabe guys, parang pamilya na talaga kami dito eh. Diba? First time kong sinabi yan. Hindi. Parang pamilya na kami dito, sobrang close naming lahat. Sobrang saya sa set, sa taping. I always look forward to taping, kaya ayun, I really hope na I can spend even more time with the cast. So, ayun, yun yung first 2 wishes ko. So, mag-rate YMFS 10 years extend. And for my last wish, sana lahat ng mga mahal ko magiging safe at may good health. Three things you're grateful for at the moment. Siguro, right now, I'm very grateful for the people I have. Kasi, grabe, like, feeling ko this is the time where I really felt na I had people with me. I have friends who appreciate me. And I have friends who are there for me. And I also have loved ones who are there for me. Kaya I'm really super grateful for them right now. Grabe, they're really the reason why I'm also happy every single day. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. Alam niyo na kung sino kayo, and I love you all. Next naman is syempre work. Kasi syempre just to be in the show, dream come true na talaga. Parang dati pinapangarap ko lang na magkaroon ng parang show na ganitong type, and as in lahat ng genre na kaya mong ilagay sa show na to, yun talaga yung dream ko. Yung nasa school setting, yung light, may kilig, may pambubuli. Parang yun talaga yung klaseng kind of character na gusto ko rin gawin. Kaya super grateful talaga ako for that. So, number 2 is work. Number 3 naman, syempre, grateful ako na masaya ako. Like, for some reason, I always wake up happy nowadays. Grabe, parang every single day, I'm just excited na nagigising ako, and pinaplano ko yung araw lagi para kung anong gagawin ko. So, ayun, I'm really grateful for being happy. What ifs? 3 what ifs. What if hindi kaya nangyari yung YMFS? Gaano kaya ako kalungkot ngayon? Kasi, grabe guys, this show really healed me. Parang, I think this is something that I really needed, you know. So, ano kayang mangyayari sa buhay ko kung walang YMFS? Feeling ko dull, sad. Grabe, mahal ko talaga yung I love YMFS. Lahat ng bumubuo ng YMFS, yung cast, yung staff. Grabe. So, grateful naman ako na what if lang yun. Eh, hindi siya nangyari. What if kaya kong gumawa ng wish, tapos kaya niyang maging totoo? Ano kayang i-wish ko? Tsaka what if isa lang yung wish na kaya kong gawin sa buong buhay ko? So, ano kaya yun? Feeling ko, i-wish ko na mamahalin niya ako. Ay. What if si Calix at Angel yung endgame? What if? What if? favorites naman tayo guys. So, meron ditong song, color, number, code, food, drink. So first, favorite song muna as of now. Siguro yung lagi kong inuulit ngayon is Girls by Kid Laroi. Favorite color, blue. Favorite number naman, madami yung favorite number. Yung may 8, 11, 13, 24. Meron po akong nakalimutan. 7 pala. So, lagay ko lahat. 7, 8, 11, 13, 24. Favorite quote? Siguro yung isa sa mga quotes na tinuro ng singing coach ko dati is perform not to impress, but perform to inspire. So, tumatak talaga yun sa akin. Dinadala ko siya until now. Favorite food? Ang dami yung favorite food eh. Pero siguro yung isa sa namimiss ko ngayon is syempre lechon. Lechon sa Cebu. Kasi sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I'm from Cebu and every time na umuwi ako, syempre yun talaga yung hinahanap ko, yung lechon ng Cebu. Favorite drink naman, tubig. Sa mga nakakilala sa akin, sobrang hilig ko talaga uminom ng tubig. As in like every single time. Parang hindi na siya normal. Every time lang uminom ako ng tubig. So. Favorite fruit? Siguro yung favorite fruit ko is mango. Mango, tsaka avocado. And pomelo. Yun yung tatlong favorites. Favorite subject? Siguro, madami yung favorite subjects, pero alam niyo kung anong hatest subject ko, guys? History. Kasi walang future eh. Gets ba? Gets. Joke lang yun, guys. Yung favorite subject ko, math. Siyempre math, kasi pag sinabi mong math, parang sasabihin ng tao na, ay, matalino to, favorite subject niya math. Pero di ko sinabi na magaling ako ah. Sabi ko lang, favorite subject ko lang yung math. So. Favorite singer naman, isa sa mga pinaka-favorite singers ko, sobrang talented to na lalaki. Grabe. As in, the first time na narinig ko yung mga original songs niya, as in, napahanga talaga ako. I look up to him, Keith Hernandez. Favorite celebrity? Siguro yung idol ko talaga ngayon si Joshua Garcia. Favorite TV show, movie? Siyempre, napakadali na yan, guys. You're my favorite song. Siyempre, one of my favorite shows talaga to. Kahit nakailang tapings pa kami, grabe, super fun na talaga sa set and everyone's just sobrang professional ng lahat. Like, kasi nakaka-inspire din at the same time na mag-develop ng sarili mong craft. And siguro add ko lang din yung isa sa mga favorite shows ko, Maka. Grabe, sobrang memorable talaga ng Maka. Talagang namimiss ko yung Maka family. Actually, pag nagte-taping kami dito, minsan nagpa-flashback din sa akin yung Maka tapings namin dati. Kasi parang ganito talaga na ang dami namin sa taping, tas puro mga bata, ang kulit. So ngayon naman parang ganun rin ulit yung feeling, pero with a new family naman. I'm also super happy to be sharing this moment with them. There's a book that I brought inside sa PBB and yung name niya is Calm the F Down. Favorite day of the week? Siguro nag-iisipan ko kung Saturday or Sunday kasi parang Saturday medyo jolly naman yung tao. Sunday naman parang walang masyadong tao pero maluwag yung road. So, Saturday lang tayo kasi mas fun yung busy. So, let's go with Saturday. Favorite day of the year? Favorite day of the year? Maybe Christmas. Kasi syempre pag Christmas parang time siya to relax, time to do the things that you want, pwede kang mag-travel, and you get to spend time with your loved ones also, magbigay ng gifts to each other, so yeah, siguro Christmas. What? Who's who? Pinakamaganda. Sino ba, Calix? Siguro si Angel. Ang pinaka-pogi para sa akin sa YMFS is si Rivian. Kasi mukhang K-pop idol. Mukhang K-pop idol yung itsura. Pag magka-eksena kami, talagang parang grabe, parang in-hypen yung ka-eksena ko. Parang ganung level. So, Rivian. Pinaka-cute sa YMFS. Pinaka-cute. Angel? Pinakamakulit sa YMFS. Ngayon yung sagot ko, si Zion. Grabe. Napakakulit ni Zion talaga, guys. As in, sobrang kulit. Pinakatahimik sa YMFS. Siguro yung isasagot ko, si Adi. Si Adi. Kasi si Adi parang usually, alam mo yung isang one question, one answer, parang ganun na type. Or pag nagre-react, parang isang sentence yung sinasabi, parang medyo tahimik si Adi. Pinakamagaling kumanta sa YMFS, syempre yung singer ng Siklab. Dito tayo kay Miguel. The one and only. Pinakamagaling umarte sa YMFS, si Angel tsaka si Zion. Sila talaga yung pinakamagaling umarte sa YMFS. Sila usually yung nakaka-eksena ko eh. Kaya every time na nakikita ko sila sa eksena, parang syempre nakaka-inspire din at the same time to do better. So, ayun. Pinaka nakakatawa sa YMFS, siguro yung answer ko dito si Dash, Raviel at si Ponzi. Like as in yung samahan nila talagang laugh trip talaga. Madaming mga funny behind the scenes accidents na nangyayari. And grabe, siguro kung na-witness niyo, hindi niyo talaga mapipigilan yung tawa niyo. So, Raviel, Dash, Ponzi. Pinakamahilig mag-TikTok sa YMFS. Oh. Siguro yung sagot ko dito, hindi ko pa sure pero feeling ko si Charm. Feeling ko siya yung pinakamahilig mag-TikTok sa YMFS. Pinakamaaga sa set ng YMFS, syempre si Calix. Si Calix parang wala pa yung mga prod, wala pang araw. Andiyan na si Calix eh, parang nag-internalize, nagpa-prep, acting prep, kasama ni Calix yung acting coach. So, ayun, parang actually, minsan wala pa nga yung location. Si Calix na nauna eh. Parang alam niya yung location agad eh. So, ayun. Pinaka-uwing-uwi. Hindi pa naman to confirm guys. Feeling ko lang si Jacob. Pinaka-close ko sa YMFS, syempre si Zion. Talagang best friend ko yun si Marco. Such a good guy, genuine guy. And grabe, halos buong stay ko sa GMA, laging si Marco yung ka-eksena ko. Laging kami yung magkasama sa show. And para sa akin, super happy talaga ako pagkasama siya. Like, alam mo yun, kami lagi seatmates when it comes to tapings. So, ayun, sayang. Pinaka gusto mo maging ka-close after YMFS? Siguro lahat naman. Like, as in, like, iba-iba yung kada tao na Na syempre, I think I can get closer with them pa more, even after YMFS. Pero siguro, syempre, si Angel. Kasi I really want to get to know Caprice more. I feel like she's a really nice person. And yeah, sana after YMFS, mas magiging close pa kami lalo and I'd get to know more stuff from her. About her.